Okay, very fine students. A very good morning to you all. And today I have thought of taking up the chapter of class 10th, social diversity. Let me tell you one thing. According to the CBSE syllabus, this third chapter of civics, that is social diversity, that is included only till the pre-board examination. That is included only till the pre-board examination. That is whatever the internal examinations from the schools that are taken. So the questions can be put up by this chapter. But whereas the board examination is concerned, this chapter is exempted. This chapter is fully exempted from the board point of view. But since we all are in class 10th, and it's my prime duty to make you understand what is social diversity, what are differences, and what leads to social division. In order to understand social diversity, the very first thing which I would like to mention over here, social diversity means different sections of people. Sections of people either divided on the basis of race, either divided on the basis of linguistic or the language, or either divided on the basis of religion, color, sex, all such type of things, divisions, and any type of a form, that is known as social diversity. So, we people in a society are living there, and within that society we find different sections of people. See, means we have got diverse sections of people. So, before switching on to the main part of the chapter, let me first go on with one of the example, and that example, that is the Olympics, that is Mexico Olympic of 1968. In the year 1968, the Mexico Olympic took place, and in that Mexico Olympics, with 200 meters athlete race, it was John Smith and John Carlos. They were American Africans. They were American Africans who won the gold medal as well as the bronze medal. That is John Carlos and Tommy Smith. They were African Americans. They won the gold medal and bronze medal for 200 meters race. When the prize ceremony started to begin, the two athletes, they came up on the dock with clenched fists. What is clenched fists? Clenched fists का मतलब मुक्का बंधा हुआ. That is called clenched fists. Heads oppressed, clenched fists, and both of them were not having the socks and shoes. In support of that, another athlete who was Peter Norman from Australia, he was a silver medalist. So he also came up on the dock. He was having a human rights badge on his shirt. Peter Norman, he was an Australian. John Carlos and Tommy Smith, they both were African Americans. They were symbolizing in such a way, showing black power. Black power was symbolizing what? It was symbolizing the clenched fists and black gloves in their hand, with their heads oppressed and without any socks and without any shoes. They were against the American government, the racial discrimination which was going on between the blacks and the whites in America at that time, basically known as by the word apartheid. So they wanted to represent that. Now they did not know whether that was the actual forum to symbolize that or not, because it was a Mexico Olympic. And during the ceremony of prize distribution, they acted in such a manner. In support of those two athletes, this Australian athlete, that is Peter Norman, he also came up with wearing a human rights badge on his shirt in support of his two friends. Now, all these shows what? They three athletes, they had got every mutual consent of each other, and they acted in a likewise manner. Now the question arises whether that was the proper platform, whether that was a proper place to represent such type of a thing. So when the ceremony was over, they were taken into granted by their own government, by the government. So when they returned back to their home place, what do we find is that they had to face lots of criticism. They had to face lots of criticism. They were debarred from the athlete. They never represented the athlete. Why? Because that was not a proper forum. That was not a proper forum to tell those type of statements, to pass such type of statements regarding the differences which happened with regard to that of the government of that place. And in support of that, Peter Norman also, when he also went back to his hometown place at Australia, he was also criticized over there. Slowly and slowly, they wanted that the matter should have been dealt up with the international body. किसी भी international body के द्वारा उनको ध्यान आकर्षित हो सके. So finally, it took lots of time over there. At first, both these athletes, they were criticized. They were not allowed to face the Olympics Games. Even the same case happened with Peter Norman of Australia in supporting the Friends. But after a long way back, when the matter was drawn, the attention of the international agency, so what do we find was that they both persons were deserved to be correct on their own position. They were correct on their own position. So in regard of their honor, what happened? In regard of their honor, Tommy Smith, John Carlos, their statue was erected at St. Joe's University. Their statue was erected at St. Joe's University at America. And this Peter Norman, when Peter Norman died in the year 2006, these two persons, that is John Carlos and Tommy Smith, they were the pallbearers in the funeral ceremony of Peter Norman. That respect they got it after much back, that is when the matter was highlighted, not at that time, but after a few years back, this came into existence. So what do we find is that now some of the questions creep up over here. Why those three athletes were behaving in such a manner? Why were they against the working of the government? Why they chose that proper platform to be the correct platform of that? That was the main thing. The differences arose between the people there. Although they were Native Americans, but they were black. And since they were black, so they were discriminated in America. And that is why that social differences existed. That social differences existed between them. That is the system of apartheidism. What is apartheid? Let me most tell you, because you are aware of this type of a thing, apartheidism. What is apartheidism? Apartheidism is a system where the section of a people are divided, are differentiated on the basis of their color, on the basis of their skin. That is called apartheidism. And for that thing, Tommy Smith and John Carlos, they volatilyly erupted against the government, and they behaved in such a manner in the Mexico Olympic. And it was with his friend Peter Norman who supported him. These differences, there were differences, and they fought for that. Now, what is this social difference? We also see that athletes in the chapter, the three athletes in the chapter, they were responding to social inequality, and they were also responding to social division. Because there was social inequality between them. सभी के साथ एक समान व्यवहार नहीं हो रहा था. That was called social inequality. And because of social inequality, that led to social division. Any type of differences or any type of inequality will slowly and slowly get divided onto social division. That will turn into social division. Then there are some other forms of social division also. There are some other forms of social division. In the very first chapter in power sharing, we studied about the issue of Belgium, and we also studied about the issue of Sri Lanka. In Belgium, what did we find? the two sections of people, one was staying in the Wallonia region who were speaking Dutch, and another at the Belgium or the Brussels who were speaking the French language. They were differentiated on the basis of their language. They were differentiated on the basis of the majoritarianism. The Dutch people were telling that we are in majority, so our supremacy should be established over there. So that is some different type of a difference. That is some different type of a difference. But in the Mexico Olympic, what do we find? There was some differences based on the skin, based on the color. But in Belgium, that difference was based on linguistic basis. That differences was based on the basis of majoritarianism. Same is the case with Sri Lanka also. Sri Lanka, there were the section of people, the majority section of the people, they were speaking the Sinhalese language, and some of them who were not in majority, they were speaking the Tamil language. And same linguistic factor became the sole basis for a bloodshed, for a war which took place in Sri Lanka at that time, which became not favorable for the Sri Lanka in power sharing. But Belgium adopted some different attitude, and by adoption of different attitude, what happened? Belgium became a model of power sharing. Because anyhow or the other, they tried to solve the gap, and that gap was solved, and so power sharing became very much good over there. So we find that differences are everywhere. Differences on the basis of caste, differences on the basis of color, differences on the basis of religion, differences on the basis of language, and etc. and so on. Now, we will once say over here, even in sitting in a classroom, we find that there are differences within the people. Either the difference, we can count it on the basis of their talent also. Difference on the basis of somebody is short, somebody is tall, somebody is fat, somebody is very thin, somebody is black, somebody is white. So that difference is a general type of a difference. But if the differences goes on and on and on, so it becomes overlapping type of a nature. So the next thing which we are going to deal over here is what is the origin of this social difference. ये social difference, सामाजिक भिन्नता की जो बात है, ये कहाँ से आया? From where did this social difference get from? Man is born free. Man is born free. He is not related to any community, but by the accident of his birth, the man represents his community. So the very first reason of social difference, is accident of birth. Birth के वजह से social difference create होता है. Man is not a member of the community. He becomes the member of the community. I do not know where I was born. I do not know where I will be born, but since I am born, so I find myself, oh, I am born in such a family, and my family is residing over there, in such a type of a mohalla, in such a type of a colony, in such a type of an apartment, and so on. So, I, in spite of not having the knowledge that where I would be born, मेरा जन्म कहाँ होगा मुझे यह नहीं पता था, परंतु मेरा जन्म हो जाता है. But I take birth over there. I was not a member of that community, but slowly and slowly, as I lead my life, I become a member of that community. In that community, what happens? There are various sections of people residing there. Some are the people divided on the basis of caste. Some are the people divided on the basis of the religion. So, every person divided on the basis of caste, they will have some type of a differences also. People of different religion, take for case of Hindu and Muslim. The Hindus have different riti rivaj, they have got different traditions, they have got different cultures and so on. Muslims, they have got their different traditions and cultures. Christians have got different rites and so on. So, when we assemble all those three religions, all the four religions of India, we find that there are several types of differences on the basis of religions. And since there are differences on the basis of religion, so that is a type of a social difference. Difference, we can also come and state over here. Some people think, take for example, a boy from the same family, उसके मम्मी पापा बहुत बड़े भक्त भगवान के, very religious person, who the mummy and dad of that particular small boy, but the boy becomes an atheist. What is an atheist? Atheist is a person who does not believe in God, and theist is what? जो भगवान पर विश्वास करते हैं. From the same blood, biological process same, chromosomes and so on, everything to be same. But we find that there is also a difference. Difference between whom? Difference between the same person, जो उनके पुत्र हैं, उनसे difference हो रहा है. किस जगह पर? One is believing that God is everything, and another thing, that boy is telling that I don't believe in God. So this is also a type of a social differences. So such type of a social difference, slowly and slowly, when it goes on becoming bigger and bigger, that creates social division. Every type of a social difference will lead to social division, but all type of social divisions does not lead to social difference. I repeat once again, various type of social differences, अनेकों तरह के social differences will certainly lead to social division, but all social divisions are not social differences also. So we have to keep it in mind. Now, two things we have to make it clear over here. Accident of birth. Second one, the differences, social difference. Accident, it is by choice. Differences in choice leads to social differences. First one we talked about accident by birth. Second one we are talking about it is on the basis of choice. Now let us take for example the basis of choice. A man in apartheid, what was that? Apartheid में क्या देखा आपने? वहां पर whites और blacks के बीच में differences है. So that is on the basis of accident of birth. That is not on the basis of accident of choice. Now let us come to the point of accident of choice. What is that accident of choice? For example, both are white person. Both are white person. One of the white person talks about that he believes in romanticism. He believes in romance. That is the ultimate thing he talks about. Who is that? The white person. The same white person, another man, he differentiates in the opinion of romanticism. He does not talk about romanticism. He only talks that nature. In the nature there is romance. There is nothing romance in the human being. So there is also the difference. दोनों white हैं, दोनों का कहानी romanticism के लिए अलग-अलग है. One of them is talking about the nature and another is talking about the human beings. That is, this romance is talking about, this romance is only related to that of the human beings. That is also the choice. Choice relates to what? Wearing of the clothes, your taste, your fashion, your interest in anything, your leisure, your hobbies and so on. All such type of things on the basis of choice, that also creates a social difference. Now, social difference, it is of two types, that is overlapping and cross-cutting. In overlapping, what do we find is that? In overlapping, when one of the social difference goes on overlapping each other and other, जब एक social difference अनेकों तरह के differences को overlap करता है, उसके ऊपर आ जाता है, that creates, that is overlapping of a, that is overlapping differences. We will move on with the same thing, and till the point which we have discussed over here, we had talked about the Mexican Olympic, the very first example, where which the chapter starts, in which there were 3 athletes. What did they show? They were against the government, they were behaving in some different manner, and they symbolized in a very different way. In support of that, the Australian athlete also came up, Peter Norman, and he also talked in some different way in support of his athletes. Finally, they all had to face the criticism. But when some international agency interfered into the matter, human rights agency interfered into the matter, then they were honored, they were respected, but still the problem was not solved. So, we were talking about social inequality. Then we talked about the origin of the social differences. What are social differences? What leads to social difference? We also studied about the social difference of Belgium, Sri Lanka and so on. And then we talked about social differences based on accident of birth, and then social differences based on the choice. And then we also talked about the two types, that is overlapping and cross-cutting. And overlapping, I mean, you understand this much. We will also progress up with another point of overlapping in our coming part. It's okay then? Thanks a lot.